Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Here I am with another fabulous yoga posture which is referred to and honored as the queen of yoga, the shoulder stand. Guys, shoulder stand is far off house of a pose. It is extremely beneficial to the entire body which helps us instantly relieve stress and anxiety and gives us a sense of calmness and peace. Now stress and anxiety are an ongoing issue of this new modern new generation. Well, we cannot get away with stress and anxiety, however, we can find out ways to keep ourselves at peace, and shoulder stand is the best to begin with. So if you are new to this pose, I would request all my viewers to kindly preferably try this on the bed so that you don't hurt yourself and be safe, and try to do it at night before going to bed. Until you master it. So let me show you all the same.
Lie down on yoga mat with your arms stretched outside. Now bend your knees till they face the ceiling, raising them further towards your chest. Press your hands into the floor to raise your bent legs away and up. Move your hands onto your back to support yourself as you move your lower body up towards the ceiling. Straighten your legs as much as possible while keeping pressed your arms into your back. Feel your body long and straight until your chest touches your chin, while deeply breathing into this pose few times. Shoulder stand is fantastic to increase circulation. It helps to build strength and flexibility, improves digestion. It certainly relieves tremendous amount of stress and anxiety, thus directly reducing fatigue and promotes in peaceful sleep. To come back, gently release the pose.
So my friends, I hope this pose of mine is beneficial for you, and thanks for watching my video. And if you like my video, kindly hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe.